Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a cornbread souffle. It's a double recipe from what I have on my channel. It's going to go in a 9x13 pan. I'm going to use 2 eggs, 4 cans of corn. 2 of them are whole kernel, 2 of them are cream style. 16 ounces of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cornbread mixes. This is the Jiffy cornbread mix. They are 8.5 ounces. And 1 stick of softened butter. That's it. I'm just going to put it all in my bowl. Let's do this. Okay, everything's mixed. Now I'm going to add my cornbread mix. 2 boxes. And now I'm going to mix all this together. So here we go. Right here I have my pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick spray. Now I'm just going to add my cornbread mixture. Then we're going to cook this. Should be 45 minutes to an hour. Just cook it until it's all the way cooked through. In a 350-degree oven. And this is my cornbread souffle. It is excellent. Look at this. Very, very beautiful. Very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.